Okay, so I have here a hydrotek eating coil pressure washer. Now I have this coil over a year ago. Now it's clogged up. So I pour acid through it, high pressure water, nothing happened. I contact a dealer for some advice and they told me to do the acid thing again. But so far I'm not getting anywhere. So I'm asking if anyone out there have any idea how to change or clear this coil. Drop me a comment. I'd like to get it clear. It's so expensive to replace right now. So sure would like to get it up and running again. So drop me a comment, anybody who familiar with the hydrotek pressure washing eating coil. Thank you.